and salon. I'm your girl, Miss Neve, and I will be covering our top 5 questions that we get asked on a regular basis. Number 1, what is a glueless wig? Glueless wig is a wig that can be worn without glue or adhesive. Typically, a glueless wig is secure by adding an elastic band, and the elastic band should be measured to make sure that it is the perfect fit for your new unit. Question 2, what is a wig install? A wig install is simply installing the wig, and you can choose whichever method you would like. We do not use glue here for our wig installs, so we offer glueless wigs, which of course would not require any glue or adhesive. Question number 3, what is wig maintenance? Wig maintenance is amazing. Wig maintenance is what helps keep your wig looking amazing. You would drop your wig off and give us anywhere up to 72 hours, and we will shampoo, condition, and it will be ready for you to pick up, or we can do a wig install when the wig is ready. Hey guys, so now I am standing right here on our wig wall, and these are Wig Inspirations where you can actually pick which wig that you want to go home with. We have lots of inspiration here. We have short wigs, we have long wigs, we have bob wigs. Whatever you want, we can create it for you. So we're gonna go ahead and get into our question number 4. Question number 4, what's the difference between a human hair wig and a synthetic wig? A human hair wig is a wig that is constructed with human hair and can be shampooed, styled. A synthetic wig is very simple. It is made with non-human hair fibers, and typically it cannot withstand heat at all. Those wigs have a very short shelf life, cannot wash a synthetic wig. Listen, I have an amazing deal for you. We are offering membership deals at our salon. A small monthly membership fee, and you can come in and get however many appointments that you desire. That's right. Join our exclusive VIP members only team right now. You don't want to miss it. It's now available. Go ahead. For more information, click our link in bio. We are loving our new location. I want to invite you to go out, book your VIP appointment today in beautybar.com. You won't be disappointed. We are here to make all of your hair and beauty dreams come true. I look forward to seeing you here. Go ahead, book your experience today in beautybar.com. Now let's get into question number 5, and that is, what's your wig pricing? How is your pricing at Neve's Beauty Bar? Our pricing is basically a range. Wigs start at $250 and they go up from there. We do offer easy pay options. So basically you can pick out the wig of your dreams and we can finance that wig for you, and it will make it easier for you to purchase. We look forward to seeing you here at Neve's Beauty Bar. So go ahead and book your consultation or your VIP experience today in beautybar.com.